Grandpa sent you an early birthday present. Open it.
How do you get an early birthday present? I need to get one of those.
Hurry up.
Okay. Happy birthday to grandson.
Open it, open it. I don't know how long my phone will last. What's inside? What's inside the envelope? What does it say from Grandpa here? It says, "Happy birthday, little buddy. Have a great birthday. Love, Grandpa." What is it? What is it?
Pull it out.
Hurry, my phone's gonna die. Let me see. What is that? What is it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, it's a Harry Potter world map.
It's a map. Whoa.
It's a Hogwarts.
Open it up.
Okay.
Open it. Wait, what is that? What's that?
Oh,
You know what that is?
what?
Shopping. Harry Potter gift card for Universal Studios. Grandpa gave you $150 to go shopping. What do you say to Grandpa? We'll send this to him.
Thank you, Grandpa.
He's so excited. He can't wait to go.
Wait a minute, you got $100?
105.
150.
150.
Blow a kiss to Grandpa.
Mwah.